Clay. Quite possibly the most useful material on Earth. It is found everywhere. Easily formed into whatever shape you desire when wet. Yet hard and rigid when dry. If you aren't happy with the shape, just re-wet and try again. Satisfied with your creation? Throw it in a fire and the shape becomes permanent. It comes in a range of colors and textures. So satisfying to the touch. So useful for cooking, building, eating and drinking, re-entry. It was one of mankind's first crafts. And yet, it has not been replaced by high tech. From ceramic crowns in our mouths, to circuit boards in our computers, insulators on power lines, pavement beneath our feet, bricks in our houses, and most important of all, toilets. A life without clay would be like going back to the Stone Age. Truly, clay is a perfect gift.